Okay, so it's no doubt that Singapore is pretty expensive to stay at. So you're on this video because you're looking for a nice hotel in a central location in Singapore that won't break the bank. The Carlton Hotel might be the answer to your qualms. This is a 4-star modern hotel with some of the amenities you can find in a 5-star. So in this hotel review, I'll go over a room tour, I'll show you around the amenities and the hotel itself, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the hotel. So let's get into this hotel review, but before we start, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more travel content. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's start with some of the basics. The Carlton Hotel is right next to 2 MRT stations, and there's a major shopping center as well as other attractions nearby. The location is one of the key reasons why you'd want to stay here. It's super central and it's easy to get around and it's very close to Chinatown. Okay, so for my other basics, I think from amenities wise, it has pretty much everything you really need. It has a pool, has a gym, has 24/7 service, has a concierge. In my opinion, take a look at their website. I'll link in the description below. It lists all the amenities, so you can just double check if you have something that you need specifically, like accessibility. However, in my opinion, this hotel does pretty much cover everything. Alright, so here's a gym tour. I know some people do really care about gyms for their hotels. So, as you can see as we enter, there is a ton of treadmills, ton of exercise bikes. Too many to be honest, so you're not going to wait for anyone, which is always great. And I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek. As you can see here, there's a ton of machines there, there's a lot of weights, basically everything you need to do a full gym workout. And even if you're a gym junkie, I think you'll still enjoy this hotel's gym. In my opinion, one of the better gyms I found, even in 5-star hotels, so definitely up there in terms of one of the best gyms I've ever seen, at least from a hotel point of view. Okay, so before we get to the room tour, I just wanted to do a quick kind of pool check as well as bar check. As you can see, we're walking up here. Definitely a pretty nice area, not your 5-star kind of pool area, but however, in my opinion, it still does a trick. Definitely, the pool is really clean. I did go for a swim in it, so definitely you got that there. And honestly, this area is pretty relaxing. I think it's pretty cozy, and I really like it, to be honest. Alright, and with that out of the way, we're gonna go for the room tour. And just as a FYI, we did choose the deluxe room. From price range, you're probably gonna look towards 250 to 300 SGD per a night. Definitely kind of pricey, kind of the average mark of hotels. However, for a decent 4-star hotel, I think it's pretty good actually. Alrighty, so we've already checked in, so you see some of our luggage just kind of sprawled on the ground. But here's a bit of a room tour. So king deluxe bed, a really nice view outside. So as you can see here, perfect view of the city, if that's your thing. So we got a chair here. We have a smaller, a pretty, smallish TV, small medium TV, obviously right in front of the bed. So do as you must there, and a little fridge there, and obviously some little drawers and stuff there. A nice little desk here if you need to do a bit of work, lamp there. And then let's go take a look at the bathroom. This is my favorite part of Carlton, this is a nice bathroom. So even some of the really nice hotels, what's really nice about this bathroom is the shower and the bath is together, and there's so much space. You can take a shower and there's a little seat you can sit down. I don't know, you can obviously put your shampoo and stuff there, but you can also sit down there and you can just redirect your shower head into that, which is awesome. And then you have a really nice little bathroom here. Sorry about the light fluttering there, but yeah, so it's pretty nicely kind of like lit and nicely kind of set up. Obviously you got one sink there, so obviously you need to share, but still pretty nice. Towels and stuff as usual, and there's a scale there, and I don't know if that's a good idea, but. And then finally you have your safe, obviously, your standards, and obviously your cupboard. So you have hangers and stuff, you have your iron, and you have slippers. So yeah, pretty nice room overall. I really like the bathroom layout, to be honest. It's probably one of my favorites. Also, I love the lights here. There's different types of light switches you can do. You can do your bedside lights, you can do a night light. And these lights up here are not shining directly above you when you're trying to like sleep. If you want lights up. So yeah, pretty nice room. Just a quick overall feel of it. Pretty roomy, especially in Singapore. Especially if you're looking for a 5-star hotel that's kind of more on budget than your really high-end 5-star hotels. This is probably a good in between. So yeah, hopefully this room tour gives you a nice little vibe of this place. And that's it. Hopefully this video is a bit short. I wanted to really keep it under like the 7-minute mark. But yeah, please leave a like, subscribe for more hotel reviews as well as travel content. Hopefully this video gives you a better idea if you want to book the Carlton Hotel. In my opinion, it's a pretty decent hotel. I reckon if you can get it in the 250 to 260, 70 SGD per night, it's pretty worth it. Once you get to that $300 mark at full price, I don't think it's worth it. You can probably get a 5-star hotel on discount in that range. So yeah, this is definitely in the kind of the high 4-star range in my opinion. But yeah, leave a like and comment and let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video.